Preview.
Hello everyone and welcome to the basic learning. I am again with the part 8 and in this part I will be discussing the depreciation. What does depreciation means? It means reduction in decrease also. So I have taken one question. Suppose the value of a machine depreciates at a rate of 10% per annum. The present value of a machine is rupees 100. Find the value of a machine after 2 years and 2 years ago. Now these type of questions are very important. So these questions when we are solving, there is a trick behind solving these types of questions. So I will tell you the trick. Whenever the present value is given to you, suppose the present value is given as rupees 100. Okay, so you need to calculate after 2 years, then it will be taken as amount. It means that you have to calculate the amount. Whenever the present value is given to you, you need to calculate it after 2 years or 3 years, let it be. So you need to take out the amount. Okay, when it is asked after years, after 2 years, after 3 years, you need to calculate the amount and the present value is taken as a principal. Now when we are calculating for the ago part, means 2 years ago or 3 years ago, then the present value is taken as amount and you need to find the principal. You got it or not? Let me tell you once again. Whenever the present value is given to you and you need to find after 2 years ago or 3 years, let it be. So you need to calculate the amount. You need to find the amount and the present value is taken to be as principal. And whenever it is asked to calculate the present value 2 years ago or 3 years ago, then you need to calculate the principal. You need to find the principal and the present value is taken as amount. Hope you got it. So now we will solve first part, that is after 2 years. After 2 years. Okay. So the formula I told you before also, that formula will be same. Amount equal P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Now this is plus and the value is reducing. So here the minus sign. Okay, we will subtract in this part because the value is depreciating, reducing or decreasing. So let's solve the question. The present value is given you 100 rupees. So I have told you that whenever we are calculating for after years, 2 years or 3 years, let it be any year, so you need to calculate the amount. So amount equal P bracket 1 minus R upon 100 to the power n. Amount you need to calculate. Principal is taken as present value, that is rupees 100. 1 minus rate is 10% upon 100 to the power n. And the time duration is given to you. Find the value after 2 years. So you need to take 2 years. Okay. Now you can easily reduce the 0 from 0. Taking the LCM, 10 ones are 10 minus 1, that gives 9. Amount equal 100. 9 upon 10 whole square. Okay. Now you have to calculate this 2 times. Amount equal 100 into 9 upon 10 into 9 upon 10. 0 cancelled by 0, 0 cancelled by 0. So 9 into 9, that gives 81 rupees. 81. This is your amount which a person needs to pay or the present value. The value of a machine after 2 years will be rupees 81. Okay. Hope that the first part of the question is clear to you. Now I will take the second part, that is 2 years ago. Now we will solve the next part, that is 2 years ago. Okay. 2 years ago. The formula will be same. But now we have to find the principal. I told you when in the question, that is 2 years ago, when the present value is given to you, that will be taken as amount and when the question in the question when it is asked 2 years ago, before, then you need to calculate the principal. So here amount is rupees. First let's write the formula. Amount equal P bracket 1 plus 1 minus, sorry, we have to put minus because the value is reducing, that means depreciates. 1 minus 10 upon 100 to the power n. Amount is rupees 100. 100 equal principal as such 1 minus 10 upon 100 to the power 2. 100 as such, P as such, 0 reduced by 0, 9 upon 10 whole square. 100 equal principal, we are not putting the bracket. 9 into 9, that is when we multiply 10, that is 100, and it is 81. 81 upon 100. Okay. Now 100 equal principal into 81 upon 100. Cross multiply 100 into 100 and 81 in the division. Principal equal 100 into 100 upon 81. By cross multiply the values are changed. Then principal equal 10,000 upon 81. It comes 231.456. This was now this is the principal. Okay, when we round it off, then the proper principal we get 231.46. That is 231 rupees 46 paise. I hope that this part is clear to you about the depreciation part. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon to get more latest updates. Thank you for watching.